wants me to watch the storm in the car.
Yeah, and we're going, okay?
Oh, he wants to sit in the car and watch for a little bit?
Yeah, and we'll see the heavier rain. Mommy not gonna sleep?
I don't know.
Driving in. See, yeah, you can see there's power line in the road. Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
What happened?
This tire's going through the high snow. Just watch.
Whoa! It's getting all the water away through the window.
Yeah.
See, there's a power line in the road.
Power line. No, that's...
Can we go for a quick drive?
What, up the road?
Yeah, and we'll go to Mom's.
So, he wants to go up the road, circle around, come back to Mom's?
Yeah, Mommy not going to sleep?
I don't think so.
When Mommy goes to sleep?
She might be going to sleep soon, buddy.
No.
So we'll go up here. How far up do you want to go? Up to the end of this road, turn back down towards Kilbride, go back down by Irving and back up?
Yeah, but I don't want to stay at Dad's.
No, I'm not asking you to stay at Dad's, buddy. Be careful, buddy. What?
Look, it's raining her.
Isn't it?
Oh, it's raining hard. The lights never got wet.
No.
Do you see towers?
I don't, buddy.
Do we want to see towers?
We won't get to see the towers tonight, buddy. It's too cloudy and miserable.
Oh, I can see towers.
Can you?
Yeah, you can see the red light flashing.
Cool.
Who's flashing the red light? Is the little tower doing that?
The tower's doing that, you're right.
The little tower one?
Yeah.
Are they getting disappeared?
They are getting disappeared. So we'll turn left down here
Yeah.
and circle back down to Mommy's.
I still see the tower, but it's not getting disappeared, Dad.
No?
Because everything is backwards.
Oh!
Why is it backwards?
Because we're looking at it from the other side.
Yeah. Everything is all backwards. I don't want Mom to go to sleep.
No?
Are we too far to Mom's house?
No, we're not that far from Mom's house, bud.
Daddy, you just drove too far to Mom's house.
You think I drove too far?
Yeah, you just... Mom? Hey, Dad, you just drove too far to...
So where will we turn? Up right here?
No. This is not where my mom's house at.
Do we turn down here? Left?
Yeah.
Where that car is coming out up there, see it?
Yeah. Yeah, but this is where my mom's house is not. This is where my house... This is not my house at.
No. We turn down this way?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll go down here and then I'm going to have to let you tell me how to get to your house, okay? So where do we go?
This is where my house don't... Where... This is... There's no house... There's no my house there. I'm not going to this house.
No, I know, buddy. We're circling back to your road. I'm showing you how to find your way around.
Yeah, this is my road right here. it's the name of the road. We owns this, but some people owns that road.
So your road is where? The one straight ahead?
Yes, just right there.
What, not this one?
Yes, this one.
Straight ahead, not that one that was right to the right.
Yes, this one right there. See, that's the road.
Okay, now which way do we turn?
This
Left or
way.
right?
To this way.
Left?
Yeah.
Okay. And then where do we go?
Can I open my window?
No, it's really rainy out, buddy. Daddy closed his because it's a lot of rain. Do you see your house?
Yeah. Are you going to be here?
What do you mean?
Are you going to be here?
What do you mean?
Are you going to be here?
I'm dropping you off, Thomas.
Well, I need to watch this. I need you to watch the storm.
I can't stay here and watch the storm.
But you have to.
What do you want to do? You want us to stay here in the car? Is that what you want?
Yeah. Oh, look, I know.
Okay, you play with the way I prefer to make your video, okay? Oh. Okay, bud, you can't just play with us.
What's that?
Sweet, stop. Oh, it's a snowblower. So,
Now can we go in?